Imagine you swirling your brush on an eyeshadow and applying to the client. Me as a client, I'll be like, no, sorry, how much do I owe you again? Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Chanelly767. Hope everybody's having a blessed day today. On today's episode of Makeup Artist Advisory by Chanelly767, we are going to talk about makeup artist red flag. So today is number 10 of my makeup artist series, and I just want to say today is the finale of season 1. Season 2 is definitely in the making, but for this season we are coming to the end of Makeup Artist Advisory season 1 episode number 10. So just a few disclaimer, everything I mention under this series is my personal experience in the beauty industry for 14 years, and I just want to share with you all my tips, tricks, techniques getting from point A to success. So tip number 1, clean, sanitize workstation or area. So if you as a client, you coming in to do your makeup appointment and you're supposed to walk in a nice, clean, sanitize and smell real good environment and workstation. So you as a makeup artist, you're supposed to clean, disinfect and sanitize your workstation and organize your palettes and tools according to how you work. It's a must. You cannot be having your workstation untidy, dirty, and you have a client coming in seeing your mess. Always clean up after, in between clients as well. The next point, you need to separate all your brushes from clean and dirty, even your tools as well. I did mention that in my last episode, but I will bring it again. This is a big red flag if you are a makeup artist. You cannot have your dirty brushes and your clean brushes all in the same basket or a brush holder. You need to separate from the clean and dirty. Put all the dirty in a Ziploc bag or a mesh bag, or even a container that have all your dirty brushes. Never mix it. So if you mix it by accident, you end up reaching for that same brush that you use on your last client to this client. So always separate your brushes. Another makeup artist red flag, you need to sanitize your product with 70% alcohol. Once again, I did mention that in my last episode, but this is very important. You have to sanitize all your pressed powder, your cream powder with 70% alcohol in between clients before and after every application. It's a must that you do it. You're doing your part. You have to show your clients you also doing your part. And once again, as I mentioned before, if you have like busy day or a group of girls, you are going into this palette like 10 times, 15 times, 5 times. So you need to sanitize your product before you even do a makeup application on your client's face. Next point, never reuse beauty blender. Now everybody loves beauty blender. Even me, I love beauty blender. But beauty blender, they say it's not fully clean or sanitized enough because it's a sponge. So some people rather use the foundation brush. In that case, you can even use, once again, the makeup wedges. You use it one time and then you throw it away. But some makeup artists, yes, they do give the beauty blender to the clients, or some they give the makeup wedge to the clients. But the beauty blender, it tends to be a little bit pricey. So normally they give the makeup wedge to the client or they throw it away. But never reuse a beauty blender that you use on your previous client client and on another client. That is a no. Now the next point I want to bring across is never ever blow on brushes. That's a big time no. That is a no. I don't even do it for myself. Even if me starting off as a makeup artist, I never do that at all. Imagine you swirling your brush on a eyeshadow and applying to the client. Me as a client, I'll be like, no, sorry, how much do I owe you again? So that is a big time no. Never use your brush on any palettes and blow on the brush and then apply to your client's face. So that is a big time no. So next one I want to bring across is never blow on palettes. And I say this all the time, and I still say this all the time. Even if you're not a makeup artist, just regular people really doing that. That is also a no. So I have a palette right there. All right, ready for makeup? No. Ladies, please do not do that, especially in front of a client. No, I don't do that once again as I started out in the makeup industry until now. Some people, they do it. It's okay. You do it for yourself, because it's your palette and it's your makeup brush. But honestly, if you as a makeup artist, I don't recommend that you do that in front of a client. That is a no. Next point, and this is a habit and it's very important, never blow on lashes in front of a client. That is a no. Yes, I did admit that one. I did used to do that on myself, but never on a client, especially in front of a client. So that is a no. You applying the lashes, and of course you want the glue to get tacky, blow on the lashes and then apply to the client. No, please do not do that. Please, especially in front of a client. Instead, hold the lashes back to front like this for the glue to get tacky, and then apply the lash on your client. Or apply, when it's time for you to apply the lashes, apply the glue, leave it, set it aside for a while to get a little tacky, and then when you're really ready for the lashes, then apply. Or you can use them small little fan, the portable fan, on the lashes, and then apply the lashes on your client. So I give you free tips to apply the lashes. So please do not blow on the lashes, especially in front of a client. So another tip I want to bring across is lip liners. Now they are very difficult to use. Yes, I will get that. They are very difficult to use, and most of the time the lip palette, the lip pencil, they are, they sharpen the ones. There are some ones that you turn. The ones that you sharpen is the most difficult one. So instead you sharpen it, and once again, here is the 70% alcohol comes in place. You spray it with 70% alcohol and then set it aside before you use the lip pencil on your client's lips. Now with the turn one, you turn and then you apply it. You also use 70% alcohol. So that is another tip that I suggest that you use. And of course, even the brows. People like me, I use pencil for brows, 70% alcohol, set it aside, and then I apply. And another one, never use a brush that fall on the floor, and that one, it tends to be a little tricky, especially if you're running out of brushes, and let's say that's the only brush that you have. So if that's the only brush that you have, my suggestion is you take 70% alcohol, you spray it and you set it aside, and then you use it, set it aside for like a couple seconds and then you use it. Or you use the benign solution, you swirl it, wipe it with a a clean napkin, set it aside, and then you get ready to use the brush. But if you do not have all these, if the brush fall down, please guys, set it aside and use a clean brush, because remember, at the end of the day guys, this is people's face that you are playing with, you know. And then the last one I want to bring across, never use from the pump. So basically, if you have a mascara, always remove the brush, take the disposable mascara, insert it into the pump, and then apply your mascara. Same with a liquid liner, remove the brush, use the disposable liquid liner brush, put it in the pump, and then apply your liquid liner. Same with a lip gloss, the pump or the tube one, you just squeeze it once again on the disposable plate or the metal plate or the plastic plate. These are the plates that you use to mix all your liquids, your foundation, your concealer, and your lip gloss. So you squeeze the lip gloss on the plate and then the tube one, and then you take the lip one, apply it, get it off the plate, and then apply it on your client's lips. Whereas the pump one, you just move the brush, get the lip one, insert it into the pump, and then apply on your client's lips. Once again, if you ever want to reuse the lip gloss, the liquid eyeliner, or the mascara, once you use it on your client's face and you want to use it again, discard of the disposable application or applicator, sorry, and then get a fresh one and then reapply the mascara, the liquid liner, and also the lip gloss or the lipstick. And that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I really hope this video was very informative. You learned something, and then that is it. I hope that you enjoy my 10 episode of Makeup Artist Advisory Season 1. Of course, look out for Season 2 coming soon near you. Until the next time, thank you so much for your support and keep it locked. Until the next time.